You ever get that feeling like the whole internet just hit warp speed and you are expected to crank out videos, podcasts, shorts, and social snippets like it is nothing? I have produced hundreds of videos at this point, and believe me, burnout is not a myth. But here's the thing I learned. AI is not here to replace your creativity. It is here to speed up the messy parts that suck your time. I want to walk you through a toolkit of AI helpers that save me hours on every edit and let me actually enjoy creating again. I will show you the ones that cut the boring stuff, the ones that make planning painless, and the one that turns long videos into scroll-stopping clips automatically. Let us dive in and see how we can reclaim your schedule starting right now. First up, if you have ever spent forever trimming little pauses, filler words, and awkward breaths, you need something that kills dead air for you. Tools that do automatic stitch and cut are absolute game changers for your workflow. One instantly removes pauses and mid-sentence hiccups so you do not have to scrub through footage 20 times to find a half-second gap. It hands you a clean, rough cut and you move on with your life, which is perfect for focusing on storytelling rather than technical busywork. But trimming is only one piece of the puzzle, because the best edits actually start before you ever hit record. Poor planning means missing B-roll, forgetting key reaction shots, or realizing mid-edit that you are missing essential pieces of the narrative. That is why I lean on a smart planning assistant to help structure every single shoot. Drop your script in, ask for B-roll ideas and specific shot lists, and suddenly you have an actionable, day-of-shoot checklist ready to go. The right planner can even suggest animation concepts to illustrate tricky points and help you map everything back to your final output. This prevents messy edits later down the line, and trust me, take the time to plan and your edit will crumble way less. Now imagine editing a video exactly like you edit a document in a word processor. That is what transcript first editors do, where you just delete a sentence in the text and the video trims itself automatically. Need captions? They are generated instantly, making the whole process feel like magic. Want to remove a stutter? Just blur the word in the transcript and it disappears on the timeline without you having to scrub through minutes of footage. For long-form content, this feels like a total magic eraser for verbal flubs and saves an incredible amount of mental bandwidth. Okay, so you have your long video edited, but now comes the part that literally everyone hates, turning that single long piece into 10 short clips. You could sit there clipping highlights, adding captions, and reformatting for each platform, or you could let AI scan the video for you. It identifies the highest engagement moments, like laughs, emotional beats, or strong hooks, and spits out ready-to-post clips with captions. That saves me hours every single week because instead of hunting for moments, I am just picking and fine-tuning the best ones. This is also where you have to think beyond just generating the clips themselves. Many clip generators are great at identifying moments, but then you are left with the scheduling headache of exporting and manually uploading. That is where platforms that combine clip generation with scheduling and a content calendar really win. Set your posting frequency once, let the AI schedule and queue clips across platforms, and manage everything from a single central hub. It changes content from a weekly panic of scrambling to post into a steady, predictable stream of output. Let us talk visuals for a second, because we have all recorded a perfect shot and found a random stranger in the background. Or maybe you just want a cinematic color grade without spending hours in a complex compositor. There are amazing tools that let you remove backgrounds without a green screen, apply AI color grading, and even interpolate frames for smoother motion. These are the tools you use when you want pro looks without needing a PhD in motion graphics, speeding up tasks that used to take all day. And audio, please do not sleep on audio because bad sound kills engagement faster than anything. If your audio sounds like it was recorded in a hallway, use an AI audio cleaner to remove background noise, de-echo, and normalize levels. It is worth running every single clip through one of these cleaners before you publish, as good audio makes your content feel professional instantly. So that covers trimming, planning, transcript editing, clip generation, visual effects, and audio cleanup. But here's the secret weapon that changed the way I improve every single video I post: a review assistant. This assistant watches your published video and gives you improvement notes, analyzing pacing, visual interest, and hook strength. Ask it to watch the video, then give you a list of edits, pacing tweaks, or content ideas based on what actually performed well. I run my videos through this every time because improving just 1% per upload compounds insanely fast over a year. Now, let us be real about tools, because many competitors are awesome at single tasks but lack the full workflow. Some autocutters excel at removing pauses but do not batch process, while some transcript editors are fantastic but lack design options. And clip finders might generate great moments but do not handle scheduling, which leaves a ton of manual work for you. That is why you want a stack that covers both the nitty-gritty details and the big picture workflow. A combination that trims, edits by transcript, cleans audio, and then schedules content is the golden workflow you are looking for. It is the difference between firefighting every single week and operating like a well-oiled content machine. If you are wondering what to try first, I recommend this sequence. Run a dead space cutter, clean it with a transcript editor, and then use an audio cleaner. Follow that up with an auto clip generator to find the gems, and finish with an all-in-one repurposing tool that publishes for you. That last step is often overlooked, but it is the one that scales your output without you burning out. I will be honest, no single tool is perfect, so the trick is to mix and match the best players for each part of your pipeline. Use a fast auto cutter for the heavy lifting, a robust audio cleaner to keep things listenable, and then a scheduler to make posting automatic. With that approach, you spend way less time editing and infinitely more time creating. To recap, the modern creator toolkit looks like this: fast removal, transcript editing, audio cleaning, clip generation, and an automated publishing platform. Together, these tools turn a stressful week of editing into an efficient, repeatable, and actually enjoyable process. I want to hear from you. What tool is saving your life right now? Drop it in the comments below. I am always on the hunt for new helpers, and if you are trying to scale without burnout, focus on automating the repetitive bits today. Keep your creative energy for the parts only you can do, the ideas, the unique perspective, and the voice that builds your audience. Alright, I'm going to keep making stuff and testing shortcuts so I can bring back hours to my week. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe because there is plenty more workflow breakdowns where this came from. See you in the next video.